winter makeup begins long before foundation touches the skin. In cold weather, the skin behaves differently, demanding extra care, nourishment, and understanding. Creating an instant winter base is not about heavy layers or hiding dryness. It is about restoring balance, hydration, and natural radiance so the makeup looks seamless, soft, and professional. When temperatures drop, humidity decreases, and the skin loses moisture quickly, leading to tightness, dullness, flakiness, and uneven texture. This is why winter base makeup requires a thoughtful approach that focuses on skin preparation as much as product application. The first step in achieving a flawless winter base is understanding how cold weather affects the skin. During winter, the skin's natural barrier weakens due to cold air outside and artificial heating indoors. This combination strips moisture from the skin, making it prone to dryness and sensitivity. Even people with oily or combination skin may experience dry patches, especially around the nose, mouth, and under the eyes. Recognizing these changes helps in selecting the right skincare and makeup products that work with the skin instead of against it. Cleansing is the foundation of healthy winter skin, but it must be done gently. Harsh cleansers can remove essential oils, worsening dryness. In winter, a creamy or hydrating cleanser is ideal because it cleans the skin without disrupting its natural barrier. Cleansing should leave the skin feeling soft and comfortable, not tight. Lukewarm water is always preferable, as hot water can further dehydrate the skin. Clean skin allows skincare products to absorb better, creating the perfect base for makeup. After cleansing, hydration becomes the most crucial step. A hydrating toner or essence helps replenish moisture and prepares the skin for serums and moisturizers. Ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and rose water attract and retain moisture, instantly making the skin feel plump and refreshed. This step is often skipped, but in winter, it makes a noticeable difference in how smooth and radiant the base looks. Well-hydrated skin reflects light better, which is essential for achieving a glowing winter finish. Serums play a powerful role in creating an instant winter base. Lightweight yet deeply nourishing, a good serum penetrates the skin and delivers active ingredients that repair and hydrate. Hyaluronic acid serums are especially effective in winter, as they draw moisture into the skin and reduce the appearance of dryness and fine lines. Applying a few drops and gently pressing it into the skin enhances absorption and boosts hydration from within. This step helps prevent foundation from settling into dry patches later. Moisturizing is non-negotiable in winter makeup preparation. A rich but non-greasy moisturizer acts as a protective layer, sealing in hydration and smoothing the skin's surface. The key is choosing a moisturizer that suits the skin type while providing enough nourishment. For dry skin, a cream-based moisturizer works best, while combination skin benefits from a balanced formula that hydrates without feeling heavy. Massaging the moisturizer into the skin improves circulation, giving the face a natural, healthy glow even before makeup begins. Special attention should be given to delicate areas such as the under eyes and lips. The skin around the eyes is thinner and more prone to dryness, making fine lines more visible in winter. An eye cream or gel adds moisture and smoothness, ensuring concealer applies evenly without creasing. Similarly, lips tend to become dry and chapped in cold weather. Applying a nourishing lip balm early in the routine allows it to absorb, creating soft, smooth lips ready for nude glossy shades later. Priming the skin is the final step in preparing an instant winter base. A hydrating or illuminating primer creates a smooth canvas and enhances the longevity of makeup. Unlike mattifying primers used in summer, winter primers should focus on glow and moisture. They blur imperfections, soften texture, and help foundation glide effortlessly over the skin. Applying primer with gentle pressing motions ensures it melts into the skin rather than sitting on top. The concept of an instant winter base lies in working smartly, not heavily. Layering thin, hydrating products builds a strong foundation that supports makeup throughout the day. When the skin is well prepped, less foundation is needed, resulting in a natural, skin-like finish. This approach prevents caking, cracking, and dullness, which are common winter makeup issues. A well-prepared winter base transforms the entire makeup look. It enhances the softness of the foundation, amplifies the glow of highlighter, and allows soft glam makeup to appear polished and professional. The skin looks healthy, radiant, and camera-ready, whether for everyday wear, YouTube videos, or social media posts. Winter base makeup is not about masking the skin but celebrating it with hydration, care, and subtle elegance. By focusing on gentle cleansing, deep hydration, nourishing skin care, and glow-enhancing preparation, anyone can create an instant winter base that looks flawless and feels comfortable. This thoughtful preparation sets the stage for smooth foundation, radiant complexion, and long-lasting makeup that withstands cold weather while maintaining a soft, luminous finish. Once the skin has been properly prepped and deeply hydrated, the process of creating an instant winter base truly begins. This stage is where makeup meets skincare, and the goal is to enhance the skin's natural beauty while maintaining comfort and glow throughout the cold day. Winter base makeup should look soft, radiant, and skin-like, never heavy or flat. The right techniques and product choices make all the difference in achieving that flawless, professional finish. Foundation selection is the heart of a perfect winter base. During colder months, lightweight liquid, serum, or cream foundations perform far better than thick matte formulas. These textures melt into the skin and move naturally with facial expressions, preventing cracking or patchiness. Choosing a foundation with hydrating and luminous properties helps reflect light, giving the skin a healthy glow even in dull winter lighting. Matching the shade carefully is essential, as skin tone can appear slightly lighter in winter due to reduced sun exposure. One of the most effective techniques for an instant winter base is customizing the foundation. Mixing a small amount of foundation with moisturizer, facial oil, or liquid highlighter creates a dewy, breathable base that looks effortless. This technique reduces heaviness and allows the skin's natural texture to show through beautifully. A drop of facial oil adds nourishment, while a touch of illuminator enhances radiance without shimmer overload. This blended approach is ideal for achieving that soft glam winter look. Application method plays a crucial role in how the base appears on the skin. Using a damp beauty sponge is often preferred in winter, as it presses product into the skin rather than sitting on top. The tapping motion helps foundation blend seamlessly, especially over dry areas. Brushes can also be used, but they should be soft and dense, applied with gentle strokes to avoid lifting dry patches. Fingers work well for warming the product and achieving a natural finish, especially around the nose and mouth. Building coverage gradually is key in winter makeup. Instead of applying a thick layer all at once, it is better to start with a thin layer and add more only where needed. This technique prevents cakiness and ensures the base remains flexible and comfortable throughout the day. Areas with redness or uneven tone can be gently layered, while naturally clear areas are left light and fresh. The result is a balanced complexion that looks real and refined. Concealer application in winter requires a delicate touch. The under eye area is often drier during cold weather, making heavy concealers prone to creasing. A creamy, hydrating concealer works best, applied sparingly and blended gently. Focusing on the inner corners and dark areas brightens the face without emphasizing fine lines. For blemishes or pigmentation, spot concealing is more effective than full face coverage, keeping the base lightweight and natural. Setting the base is an important step, but in winter, less is more. Overpowdering can quickly dull the glow and accentuate dryness. A finely milled, translucent powder should be applied only where necessary, such as the T-zone or under the eyes. Using a small fluffy brush allows precise placement, leaving the rest of the skin luminous and fresh. Pressing powder lightly rather than sweeping helps maintain the foundation's smooth finish. Cream products are especially beneficial for winter base makeup. Cream blushes, bronzers, and contours blend effortlessly into the foundation, creating a seamless and hydrated look. A soft cream blush applied to the apples of the cheeks adds warmth and life to the face, counteracting winter dullness. Cream contour subtly defines the face without harsh lines, maintaining the soft glam aesthetic. These products enhance the base while preserving moisture. Highlighter is a key element in achieving a radiant winter base. Instead of chunky or glittery formulas, a smooth, finely milled or cream highlighter works best. Applied to the high points of the face, such as the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow, it creates a natural glow that mimics healthy, hydrated skin. The goal is a lit from within effect that complements the winter makeup look beautifully. Throughout the base application process, the focus should always remain on skin comfort and longevity. Winter makeup should feel nourishing rather than drying, flexible rather than stiff. Lightly pressing the makeup into the skin at each step helps products meld together, creating a cohesive finish. Taking time to blend properly ensures the base looks flawless both in natural light and on camera. An instant winter base is not about speed alone but about smart techniques that deliver maximum impact with minimal effort. When foundation, concealer, and cream products are applied thoughtfully, the result is a smooth, glowing complexion that lasts for hours without feeling heavy. This approach enhances the skin's natural beauty and prepares the face for soft glam elements such as defined brows, voluminous lashes, and nude glossy lips. By mastering these winter-based techniques, anyone can achieve a professional, camera-ready look that withstands cold weather. The skin appears hydrated, even-toned, and radiant, creating the perfect canvas for elegant makeup. This step-by-step approach transforms winter makeup into a luxurious, effortless experience that highlights glow, comfort, and confidence. The final stage of makeup is where everything comes together, transforming individual steps into a complete, polished look. After mastering basic face makeup and applying advanced eye makeup, the finishing touches define the overall style, longevity, and impact of the makeup. This stage is not just about adding more products, but about balance, confidence, and understanding how makeup works in real life, on camera, and in different lighting conditions. For beginners, learning how to finish a look professionally is just as important as learning application techniques. Lips play a crucial role in completing the makeup look. When the eyes are bold or detailed, keeping the lips soft and neutral creates harmony. Nude glossy lips are a perfect choice because they add freshness without overpowering the eye makeup. Before applying any lip product, preparing the lips is essential. Gently exfoliating removes dryness, while a nourishing lip balm hydrates and smooths the surface. Lip liner can be used subtly to define the natural lip shape, preventing gloss or lipstick from feathering. A light layer of nude gloss or lipstick brings the entire look together, adding elegance and softness. Once the makeup is complete, setting it properly ensures longevity and comfort. Setting spray is a powerful tool that many beginners underestimate. A few light sprays help melt all the makeup layers into the skin, reducing the appearance of powder and creating a natural finish. It also improves wear time, making the makeup last through long days, events, or filming sessions. Choosing a setting spray that suits your skin type, whether hydrating or mattifying, enhances both comfort and appearance. Understanding lighting is a key professional skill that separates everyday makeup from camera-ready makeup. Makeup can appear different under natural daylight, indoor lighting, or studio lights. Soft glam makeup is especially versatile because it adapts well to various lighting conditions. Checking makeup near a window helps identify any harsh lines or uneven blending. For those creating content for YouTube or social media, slightly enhanced definition ensures the makeup looks visible on camera without appearing heavy in person. Adjusting intensity based on lighting builds confidence and prevents over-application. Presentation and posture also influence how makeup is perceived. Confidence changes the way makeup looks on the face. Standing tall, relaxing facial muscles, and embracing natural expressions allow makeup to enhance rather than mask beauty. Beginners often focus too much on flaws, but makeup is about celebrating features rather than hiding them. When confidence is present, even simple makeup looks refined and attractive. Makeup for different occasions requires flexibility and understanding. The same soft glam base can be adapted for daytime, evening, or special events with small adjustments. For daytime, lighter eye definition and softer lips create a fresh, effortless look. For evening, deeper eyeshadow tones, stronger eyeliner, or added lashes increase drama. Learning how to modify a look rather than completely change it saves time and builds versatility. This adaptability is especially useful for beginners who want to get the most out of their makeup products. Long-lasting makeup is a common concern, especially for beginners who struggle with fading or creasing. Touch-up techniques help maintain a fresh appearance throughout the day. Carrying blotting papers removes excess oil without disturbing makeup. A compact powder can refresh the T-zone, while a small brush helps reblend eyeshadow edges if needed. Lip gloss can be reapplied easily, restoring shine and hydration. These simple habits ensure the makeup remains polished without feeling heavy. Mistakes are a natural part of learning makeup, and understanding how to fix them builds confidence. Uneven eyeliner can be corrected with a cotton swab and a bit of concealer. Excess blush or contour can be softened with a clean brush or light powder. Eye makeup fallout can be cleaned without ruining the base by gently brushing it away. Knowing how to fix mistakes removes fear and encourages experimentation. Makeup is also deeply connected to self-expression and emotional well-being. For many beginners, makeup becomes a form of creativity and self-care. Taking time to practice makeup can be relaxing and empowering, allowing individuals to connect with their personal style. There is no single definition of beauty, and makeup should never feel like a rulebook. Learning techniques provides guidance, but personal preference shapes the final result. For those aspiring to create beauty content or grow a channel, consistency and authenticity matter more than perfection. Viewers connect with real experiences, including learning curves and growth. Showing progress, sharing tips, and being honest about challenges builds trust and relatability. Soft glam makeup, with its elegant and approachable style, is ideal for beginners and content creators alike. As the makeup journey continues, practice becomes the most valuable tool. Each application improves blending, placement, and confidence. Over time, advanced techniques become easier, and personal style becomes clearer. Completing a makeup look is not just about appearance but about how it makes you feel. When makeup enhances confidence and creativity, it becomes a powerful form of self-expression. By combining well-prepared skin, advanced eye makeup, and thoughtful finishing touches, beginners can achieve a complete, professional look. This final stage celebrates balance, individuality, and confidence, proving that beauty is not about perfection, but about embracing and enhancing what makes each person unique.